So hey guys, we are at IISc Bangalore. We are doing a fun series of interviews where we went to almost everybody and asked some popular PCM questions and asked them how good are they actually at solving questions in 11th and 12th. When I mean everybody, I mean everybody. 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 Right?
I Baigan.
And the entire video is to have fun, and the entire video is to enjoy and to make sure that you guys can learn from the best in the country where they actually have big aspirations for themselves. It's not just about getting a great placement or getting a great job, they have aspirations of pushing the knowledge of human boundaries forward. So I hope you guys like the video and you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to watch it till the very end because a lot of interesting surprises in the video. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye bye. Solve some problems. So you guys will be interested.
Bruh.
You guys get paid cash prize and stuff. Simple question. Simple questions. Easy money. Easy money.
Okay.
This is M by 2.
Okay.
L by 2. Find the moment of inertia across the perpendicular. Z axis.
Acha, okay. So what is this is what
This is a rod.
of
This is like negligible. Like
negligible.
both could experiment. You guys can also get featured. Yeah. उसको भी feature कर ले भाई.
You can just support him.
Support more.
हाँ भाई थोड़ा support कर ले भाई थोड़ा
Moral
support.
support.
From here.
Moral support, please. Would you like to say something for the camera? What do you like about IS? भाई कुछ cheerleading वगैरह करो यार, please. We are. Square by.
12. So this rod about this axis.
Okay, can you? There are two rods here, right? We want the moment of inertia across this plus this across.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it's 2 times.
I think so. What we're trying to do is that we're trying to give some interesting questions to students of IISc, and we're going to see how they perform when we give them problems of PCM. And some of them were actually pretty chill to solve them, and some of them were actually pretty nervous in solving them. But the truth is that all of them are very, very smart, and some of them they don't even remember the formulas. They derive most of them. Super fun talking to a lot of them. We'll continue meeting a lot of other cool people as well. We have some students from IISc and IIT over here, and we are standing in front of IISc's main building. So basically the game that we are going to play is that we'll be asking you some questions. If you answer some right questions, you'll get some of the hard cash that we have with us right now. The बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है, but it's just like 10-20 rupees. It'll be easy questions. We'll start with the very easy question. What is the SI unit of magnetic flux? B. नहीं. Yes. The first question is correct. Love. You guys can get 10 rupees. Thank you.
What color is your bagay?
Do you guys want a tougher question or do you want an easy question? Easy question. What is the SI unit of frequency?
Hertz.
अच्छा ठीक है, very good. Okay, अब मेरे पास ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं है, मैं जीपे कर देता हूँ. बांट लेंगे. Crazy भाई, crazy. Okay, now the last question, we'll keep it like a slightly tougher question, right? Okay, what is the atomic number of zinc?
One eternity later.
30. Fuck, that's actually correct, bro. Damn.
I confused myself.
Group पर क्या? Group पर.
Fuck. Nice, bro. Nice. Congratulations.
लगाए भाई atomic number
Oh, dude. Nice. Congratulations, guys.
कॉपर के बाद है मुझे कॉपर के बाद. मुझे लगा कि कॉपर थी और मुझे लगा था 30 करीब है.
By exactly 30, bro. मतलब you guys got it right. So you guys win another 10 rupees. Thank you. Keep it with us.
We're out of money now. I think.
These guys work in Google and Walmart, by the way. 30 rupees is like samosa ke liye. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being such a sport. Okay, guys. So we'll do something related to physics this time, right? So physics. What is the formula for coefficient of restitution?
don't even remember.
मतलब इलास्टिक कोलिशन
क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो?
हाँ या
कुछ तो बोलो, कुछ तो बोलो भाई. चाय चलेगी?
बट हमको याद नहीं किसी को भी. फॉर्मूला तो नहीं याद. मैं तो भूल ही गया हूँ concept ही.
Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, we'll ask you something more simpler this time. Okay, what is the total amount of velocity that it requires for a ball to complete a full circle?
5 times अंडर रूट GH करके वो होता है. या H/G कुछ है. GH करके होता है ना.
नहीं, total speed, guys. मतलब if there's a ball over here hanging by a thread, how much?
मैच करा ना. अंडर रूट GH जैसा ही कुछ होगा ना वो शायद. तो मुझे फॉर्मूला नहीं निकाला था. मुझे 5 का याद है. 5 होता था शायद.
Almost right, guys. Almost right. मतलब what is root GH तो फॉर्मूला है. उसके बाद
5 या 7. नहीं 3. या तो 5. जो बस 1 होता था वो बस यहाँ तक पहुँचता था ना. जैसे यहाँ तक पहुँचा देते वही पूरा होता है ना. हाँ, वो 3 होता है या 5 होता है या 7 होता है. कैलकुलेट कर लेता था मैं. पता नहीं था. अच्छा, वैसे कैलकुलेट भी कर सकते हैं अगर करना हो तो. ये कर सकते हैं, है ना. टाइम ले दो अपना कैलकुलेट. तो देखो टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट पे 0 वेलोसिटी है ना और हाइट 2r हो गई. ठीक है, तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हो गई mg × 2r इक्वल टू हाफ mv². नहीं, हाँ, तो 2 times
root GH. But that is for like a solid object. If it's like a string, there's
एक और चीज होती है ना. टॉप पे उसकी वेलोसिटी होनी चाहिए. टॉप पे उसकी वेलोसिटी 1 times वो होनी चाहिए. हाँ.
तो क्या हो गया आंसर?
तो और बढ़ेगा तो 5 हो जाता है इसलिए. हाँ, शायद 5 हो जाता है. 5 times.
Root 5 GH is the right answer.
Root 5 GH, correct.
Right answer, guys. Cool, amazing answer. I think guys, you guys from IIT and you guys from IISc. Do you want to like share your ranks?
He's
so that
also
people...
from IIT.
You're from IIT also. Like, do you guys want to share your ranks over to the students who are watching this?
Hello. 3211.
Nice.
3075.
Crazy.
431.
Fuck. Oh, इसलिए वो सच बोल दिया भाई. सारी की सारी डिराइव कर दिया है सब कुछ.
I had 118 rank
118
in GATE.
Oh, nice man. Cool. Thank you so much, guys. Super fun talking to you guys.
Thank you.
आ रही क्या? हाँ भाई, आ रही है. जाओ बोल दो. नहीं, मेरी फट रही है. भाई आज नहीं तो फिर कब? नहीं यार, मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है.
So hey guys, we have 2 physics majors with us. One physics major, one material science major. Do you want to give a quick intro of yourself and try this question, which is right on an incline?
I am Kanishk. I am a 3rd year undergraduate at the ISc.
Okay.
Doing bachelor's in physics.
Crazy. Like,
Yeah.
what was your rank in KVPY or JEE Advanced?
340 all India something.
In advanced or like?
No, KPY.
Advanced?
Advanced it was like 1600 something.
Crazy, man. I think these guys will be like doing like 2 minutes stuff, but then yeah, let's go. We'll time this out.
Yeah.
How do
So you should travel 5 square 6 3 3 5 square 25 75. 75 it is.
Fuck, it's 75, but nobody knows how you got it, bro.
Oh, I just what I did was like G is 10 this side, so
Okay.
8 is 8 and 6. It is
Correct.
a vector sum of that.
Okay, yeah.
It has to go from plus 20 to minus 20 is there
Okay.
because it's
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Okay. So it will take 40. It will take 5 seconds to get to
How did you get 5? V is
Okay.
equal to U plus 80.
20 minus 20 divided by 8 is
Okay,
equal to
crazy.
5.
Correct.
So 20
total
to
time
minus
is 5.
20 is 5 seconds. Then 5
Correct.
seconds. There is no this
Correct.
direction velocity. So all it does is the acceleration in this direction
Correct.
for 5 seconds, and the acceleration in this direction is for 6, and
Okay.
t square by 2 is like 3 into 25.
Okay, acceleration in the
Yeah.
second.
6 into t square by 2 is equal to 6 into 5 square by 2. This is 3 into 5 square. This is
Okay.
75.
Crazy. Good job, man.
Yeah.
Good job. Cool stuff. You're gonna give a special gift to this person. Wait. Yes. You get. Yeah. Okay. You get $50 for doing this.
Thank you.
Good job. on doing a pressure motion question, even though it's way below your pay grade of like ISC. It's
like, okay, we used to do these kind of questions in
Yeah.
our JE level. Now it's in ISC, it's more like we are doing research.
Okay.
So it's more like thinking on a particular topic for a long time than solving
Okay.
solving equations and all that. Making equation is the more
Okay.
important
You're
thing.
thinking about how do I
make
What
the
are you
equation,
working
not
on?
the solving of
what
it.
are you working on? Like I mean like
In undergraduate, what we in undergraduate, this is a 4-year course. So in the last year, I will be doing a bachelor thesis, in which I
Okay.
will be doing some research. Probably I will be doing high energy physics, which is like quantum mechanics and
Okay.
like studying particle and nuclear
Okay.
physics and all that. So probably working on standard model kind of stuff.
Nice, cool stuff. I think a lot of people would have gotten to learn something from what you did with the
Yeah.
pressure motion and incline.
Yeah, they were actually the second way was actually way simpler.
Yeah.
When you said that,
Components around.
I got a like idea. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
actually simple.
Yes, works, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
Good job. Excuse me, hi, are you from ISC? Would you like to solve a problem that related to PCM that you want to just try out?
I could, but I'm actually running a
Within like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, like 3 minutes. Hey guys, would you like to try solving a problem related to PCM? It's related to rotation, and you can use concepts of moment of inertia and try to like get the right answer.
What is the problem?
There's a rod of length L by 2
Okay.
and mass m by 2. Rod L by 2 and mass m by 2.
Yes.
Find the moment of inertia across this plane.
Forgot what the moment of
So in rotational mechanics, like if you wanna do, let's say, Newton's laws of motion, you can't really do it directly because it's not like a point mass. So we tried to find the integral of the integral dm r square. Then we tried to find the moment of inertia across it. Across this axis.
along the Z axis.
Z axis, yes.
Like this.
Yes. Plane.
Are these two rods?
Two rods.
Separate rods.
Two rods, they interjoined here.
So we could just find one and we could just double it.
Correct.
At any arbitrary distance, suppose say r, within this distance bound,
We can take
you have to take an
Is this a like a uniform rod?
Yeah, it's a uniform rod. It's a uniform rod.
So just take this rod,
Yeah.
take a distance x.
Yeah.
take a small
Let's-
element.
Small element of length dx.
Okay.
This will have mass dm.
Correct.
Then the moment of inertia of this rod
Yeah.
will be dm x square, right?
Yeah. It's the MX, yeah.
dm x square.
Yeah.
And we integrate this.
Now we can find dm with respect to dx.
Yes, so let the
So
density
like
be
this-
rho.
Yeah.
Let the
Yeah.
density be rho. So we
It's
can
M by
write
L
this
actually.
at
It's just straight M by L.
yes rho dx, right?
Yeah.
That's
yes.
what we want. X square, and we can 0 to L by 2,
Yeah.
and then
And then just double it because there are two rods.
Correct.
we will
And
find it, right?
rho
Rho
is
x
just-
cube by 3.
Correct.
So rho L cube by 8 into 3, 24. Rho is M by L by 2.
m by 2.
M by 2 divided by L by
M by 2. So M by L.
M by L, yes.
So M L square upon 24 into 2 is M L square upon 2012.
Correct. That's the right answer. Good job, guys. Good job. You guys are still intact with your PCM.
Yes.
Good job.
It's been 2 years we haven't done any such thing.
Physics.
Cool stuff, man. Cool stuff.
Thank you.
So, can you guys give a quick intro of yourself as well?
I am Tejas Keswani.
Yeah.
I studied ISC. I am a BTech student, third year.
Okay.
I want to be a mathematician. I have a keen interest in mathematics, so
Crazy.
I'm pursuing that.
Nice. What about you, man?
I am Deep.
Okay.
I am also his batchmate. I am currently in third year BTech Maths and Computing at ISC.
Nice.
I'm-
What was your KVPY with J advanced ranks and stuff?
Yeah, JEE Advanced was like mine was something around 1600 or something.
Crazy. Nice.
Mine was in JEE Advanced. I was 694.
Damn. Nice. That's why you just derived the moment of inertia. Like, just, like,
Yes.
see, I don't remember like the moment of inertia concepts. Crazy stuff, man. Good stuff, man. I hope it'll help a lot of students out.
Sure.
Definitely,
Yes.
man.
Fine.
What's your name, bro?
Hari.
Hari. Nice to meet you. Hari.
Once again, my hands are full. Yeah.
Sure.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
मेरे को ड्रॉ कर दी भाई Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
And if you're someone who's writing any of the competitive exams like BitSat and other exams like KEAM or EAM, CAT, then we have an exclusive community for students who are preparing for these exams. So do check out the link in the description for more information. I'll see you. Bye-bye.